Good morning. Welcome to India and Indian Travel Online. Friends, today we offer Kedarnath Yatra package 5 nights, 6 days from Delhi with the best price 12,500 rupees only. Our itinerary day 1 morning meet our company person at your hotels, airport, railway station. After some basic information, start your journey to Haridwar. Reach Haridwar, check into your hotel, evening visit Har Ki Pauri and Ganga Aarti. Overnight stay at the hotels. Day 2 Haridwar to Guptkasi. Drive about 22 km by road. Morning after breakfast, check out from the hotels. Drive toward Guptkasi via Rudraprayag. En route, you can visit the beautiful river Mandakini and Alaknanda Sangam at Rudraprayag. The Mandakini river come from Kedarnath. Drive alongside the river to reach Guptkasi. Visit Nareswar's temples in Guptkasi. Check in the hotels, arrive in Guptkasi. Overnight stay at Guptkasi. Day 3 Guptkasi to Sonprayag to Kedarnath. Drive about 30 kilometers, trek 14 kilometers and heights 3,380 meters. Morning after breakfast, today we will go to Kedarnath. To reach Kedarnath, you will have two options. One if by trekking and other you go by air via helicopters at your own cost. If you go by helicopters, morning our driver will transfer to your helipad locations like a Phata, Guptkasi or Sirsi. As per helicopter ticket timing, kindly inform the driver timing of helicopters maintained on the ticket previous day. Different Aviations has different location for the helicopter service. Our driver will provide you pickup and drop to hotel. Advance booking is highly recommended for the helicopters. Second options go by track to reach Kedarnath by tracking route. First you have to reach Gaurikund. We will drive to Sonprayag early in the morning. After breakfast, our car will drop to Sonprayag. From Sonprayag, 5 km drive to Gaurikund locations. Jeep is available. This sharing basis Jeep guest can book directly at on cost. Gaurikund to Kedarnath is a further 14 km trek. After reaching the Kedarnath, visit temple, check to the hotels, visit Shankaracharya Samadhi, overnight stay at Kedarnath, take the dinners and night stay at Kedarnath. Day 4 Kedarnath to Sonprayag to Guptkasi, trek 14 kilometers, drive 30 kilometers. Morning after breakfast, explore Nairobi areas by walk at Kedarnath. Later reach Guptkasi as per your choice by track or helicopters. By helicopter, inform the driver when you leave for Kedarnath about your approximate return time and helipad name according to ticket. Our driver will pick up you from helipad and transfer to your hotels. By track, inform the driver approximate return time. Once you reach Gaurikund, from Kedarnath by track, you can take local jeep till Sonprayag. Our driver will meet here due to parking issue. Keep driver contact number with you and call him when you reach Sonprayag so he can pick up you. Gaurikund to Sonprayag, local jeep at your own cost. At arrive, check into the hotel in Guptkasi, overnight stay at Guptkasi. Day 5, Guptkasi to Rishikesh. Drive 200 km by road, morning after breakfast. Check out from the hotel, transfer to Rishikesh. On the way, visit Devprayag. At arrive, check into the hotel in Rishikesh. Evening visit Triveni Ghat, Ganga Aarti, overnight stay at Rishikesh. Day 6, Rishikesh to Delhi. Drive about 240 kilometers. Morning after breakfast, check out from hotels. Later visit two famous suspension bridges, Lakshman Jhula and Ram Jhula. Along with surrounding temples, ashram in Rishikesh, drive for Delhi, drop at Delhi airport, railway station or your palace. Friends, this package including hotel accommodation as per your package, breakfast and dinner, transfer and sightseeing as per your itinerary, all toll tax, parking, fuel and drive allowance, no any hidden cost. If you want any information about Kedarnath tour package, please call to Indian Travel Online. He explain very well and also give the best offers. Friends, please share and like this video. Thanks, welcome and Har Har Mahadev.